Welcome to Honda Parts, guys. We ship genuine OEM Honda parts from our dealership to your door. These are splash guards and mud flaps for your 2018 through 2022 Honda Accord. This set of 4 pieces protects your vehicle's undercarriage from road salt, gravel, and debris while keeping that clean, factory look. See the splash guards installed on the wheels and all 4 pieces included. These splash guards fit Honda Accord models from 2018 to 2022, including popular trims like the X, XL, and Sport. Your Accord splash guards shield the undercarriage from road salt and gravel while blending with the wheel wells. OEM guards snap into place without drilling and preserve factory fit and warranty. Genuine Honda thermoplastic outperforms cheaper alternatives by resisting temperature swings and corrosion. Shop our entire catalog of genuine OEM Honda parts at Honda Parts, guys. We back everything with a warranty, guarantee fitment for your vehicle, and deliver fast right to your door. Not sure if this is the right part for your Honda? Call us with your VIN ready and we'll confirm you're getting exactly what you need. You'll find your VIN on the dashboard to the left of the steering wheel, on your door jamb, or on your registration card. It's 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Honda Parts, guys. Genuine OEM Honda parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.